All right, let's get into this. Market opens literally right now. Um, yeah, just opened a couple seconds ago. So right now, honestly, just gonna have to wait. I have this 5 minute gap there. Um, I I kind of want to say we're gonna smack this low right away, but we already did it on ES, so we could get some sort of SMT or something. Um, yeah, but what, dude? What's up? Okay. Um, but yeah, so we're just gonna have to wait and see because we already swept this low. This is a hourly and 4 hour low here. So pretty strong draw on liquidity. So basically, kind of wanting to see if we're gonna get a continuation through this, then we're gonna want to flood through this imbalance of price range here. That's what's causing this huge fair value gap. I think this is a 4 hour gap as well. Yeah, it's an imbalance in price range. So if we get some sort of continuation, we can literally target all the way down here. Um, I don't know if that'll be the case though, because it's like over 1.5%. I kind of like a sweep a little better of this low. Maybe this SMT holds, and we're able to target literally all these highs here. Maybe not all of them, but at least one or two. But yeah, love you, mom. But yeah, that's kind of what we're waiting on right now. We have this 15-minute gap as well. Um, both indexes. How many 5 minutes? So could get break a structure there. Cause right now we were in like bearish order flow, um, lower time frame, higher time frame as well. We broke structure to the downside, so bearish order flow obviously. But we have to take into account. I'm not leaning. I mean, I'm leaning a little more towards longs, but I'm not gonna get stuck on that. If price doesn't tell me that. But we're at a really crucial spot right now where price could easily reverse because this is a 1 hour and 4 hour low, and we can see if this S&T will stay intact because right now we have a higher low on NAS, but we have a lower high on ES. So NAS in this case would be the leading index, and we would just want to see a few things happen for our strategy. We just need our setup to happen, and then if we're at the right time zone, we can target some highs up here. But we'll just have to wait and see. We literally just have to be patient. But that's kind of what I'm thinking. Like this could hold, which would be fire. That just gives me a little more faith in the bias. So yeah, probably gonna wait a little bit because we're probably gonna break structure here. Um, both on the 5 minute. So after that, literally just need a retracement into equilibrium, into equilibrium. But I might wait a little bit just because, bro, we're 5 minutes into open, so definitely gonna sit on my hands, just wait for price to present itself and wait for price to form because we're still in that manipulation time frame as well. So, um, and the market's been super manipulative recently as well. So super manipulative. Then we had that crazy Trump stuff, or where like something with I forget. I just read about it literally this morning. But they were saying potentially like an insider trader or something was going on, but they haven't researched into it more or like investigated it more. But like, my thoughts on that, bro. I don't know if that's a coincidence, Bresky. A 3% move, and you you place a trade probably triple market cap than usual. Um, 15 minutes before he posted that like handle or whatever it's called. I mean, like, dude, what do you expect with that? Like, you can't really you can't really do much with that, so in my opinion. So we're dang near in equilibrium right now. Didn't quite break structure though, I don't think, to the on the 1 minute. Oh, okay. I think we did. But we're gonna want to wait longer, in my opinion. For sure. Because we did also wick into this 5 minute gap here. We're starting to see a bearish candle out of that. A couple 1 minute bearish candles. So just literally wait and see what we want to do. Like Nas could easily manipulate again and want to sweep even this low, keep that SMT intact, or it may want to take the low as well. And then if it takes the low as well, like if both, because this already took it, if both indexes take this low and then we don't start to see like some bullish confluences out of that, then that's when we're we're gonna want to see like a continuation um in the downtrend, or it's gonna be like a no trading day. But we also have news coming out at like um 8:45 my time. So that's here in like 8 minutes or so. And we also have some at 9 a.m. my time, so 10 New York time, and then 9:45 New York time. But yeah, so we also kind of wait on want to wait on that, to be honest. No need to trade during like a little news thing, get wicked out from a or get stopped out from a wick or something from a wick candle. But yeah, so kind of yapping over here, but uh, that might be a potential S&T there in the 1 minute. We can close this bearish candle. That'll be valid. We'll just have to take out these lows here. But dang, dang, bro, my fault. Um, freaking computer is loud, bro. I hope it's not overheating or something. It's never been this loud before. Alright, but anyway, yep. That's kind of what we're. Whoops. Make sure this is on. Cool. But yeah, so NQ actually saw a push off of this gap. We have 5 minutes left to close this candle. Um, so let's see what happens here, low key. If I mean, we potentially could break structure to the downside, but I mean, we only have 20 seconds left, so I mean, I don't see that happening on both. Potentially here on um, what's it called? Um, NAS. Okay. So this SMT is still intact right now, but I assume we're gonna take this. I wonder if I can like set this on something to make it breathe a little more or something like while I'm on it. Maybe that'll help. Keep. Maybe that'll help a little bit. That might help a little. Um, there we go. Okay. So, okay, so we just have to wait right now. We're honestly looking. It's unfortunate because there's no 5 minute gaps here. We potentially get one here if we can close this within the next 3 minutes on NAS, which would be pretty fire. Because then if we can get that, then we start to see to respect the bearish confluences, then hey, we're gonna want to flood through this. And right now, look what we're doing. We're kind of ripping. Not ripping, but I mean, we're moving. We're moving through right now. So, so yeah, straight up. So yeah, right now, as of right now, we kind of invalidated that bullish like bias, like because all we were needing was like a retrace and then 1 minute entries and stuff. But now we kind of invalidated that, so now we're kind of back at square one where we, well, technically not square one, but we have a mini SMT here, bearish, and then so technically sweep, got a sweep of this 5 minute SMT. Now we just really need like form this gap, potentially get a retrace into it, hold this for the next 2 minutes, which would be fire. A lot of stuff kind of has to happen for us to be able to trade this, even if we want to go lower as well, which also is kind of hard too because like bro, what do we target through this? You know what I mean? Like this candle is insane. Like and this is the 5 minute. Like look at this, bro. Like that's just crazy. So like we got to be careful because obviously trading in this zone is kind of difficult as well because like we easily can flood through it, but then at the same time we may not want to, you know what I mean? um so because I mean look what we did here. We got into it, we only had like this mini move down, you know what I'm saying, like in a way, and got all the way down here halfway, you know. So we don't have to do that. We don't Price does not have to do that, you know what I mean? So uh, but it would be helpful if we could form this 5 minute gap, like I said already. Um, but we filled this 15-minute gap as well, and this will close as well in 40 seconds, just like this 5 minute candle. So, uh, yeah, bro. Honestly, you just have to wait. Just have to wait and see what happens here. Yeah, literally just have to wait and see what happens here for real. Um, yeah. we retraced into 1 minute equilibrium as well, went into this 1 minute gap, and then saw a bearish close. So, I mean, it's not bad. Okay, so we held this gap. We really want to see what we can do off of it. We may not even get it, and we may have to go to the 1 minute as well, potentially. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see if we get it. Because it's hard. We're both underneath this now where we don't know what to target, you know? So it's like, it's difficult right here. Then if we inverse this, then shoot, dude. Like, that's pretty much last resort of, hey, we just wanted to manipulate, and then we inverse this, maybe see a 1 minute bearish closer, and then want to target longs up to the internal highs. Or at that point, we'd probably rip, honestly. We'd probably rip. But I don't know. I'm not 100% certain what we want right now, so we just gotta monitor this gap because this gap's crucial right here. It's a crucial gap here. And I like to see if we do break structure back to the upside and go into this gap as well. It'd be nice on the 1 minute. Yeah, I'd like this 1 minute to close up here, at least break structure up to the upside in the 1 minute. Okay. See what we do. We shall see what we do. Whoops. It's just the only thing with shorts is it's hard to say because like the only thing we really have to target is that. And that's a freaking insane move. 1.43%. Like see what we do, bro. If we get a 1 minute break back to the downside right now, I'd probably feel comfortable entering. Um, what's the 5 minute looking like? Okay. All right. We're in here. Um, yeah, bro. We entered off that break of structure there. Yeah, dude. Kind of just targeting a 1-to-1 right now. Entered on ES. I think that was the right call. Low key, once we get to we are kind of overextended on the 1 minute, so I mean, hopefully this holds. We'll see. We'll see. I don't mind this. I honestly might shave like 4 off at this point if we get here, and then just go like break even. Um, just because like we could go lower even if we want to go that low. So it's like, I mean, we're gonna sell, so we need a buy limit. So, and we want how many we want there? 3, close half our position, or we'll do 5, 4. We'll do 4. 4 there. Don't like that we're well. We'll see. We shall see. I don't know. Hopefully we can hold that 1 minute gap. If not, then we're probably smoked. Um, yeah, 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 yeah. I don't like that right now, I'm not gonna lie. Uh, I like that it closed bearish, but we're kind of the 1 minute's still intact though. So the 1 minute is still intact. The 1 minute is still intact. Yeah, Bresky. We shall see. We shall see. I don't know. Yeah, this isn't looking good. So, shoot, broski. Yeah, we might get stopped out here. We may want this high again. Um, unless somehow we don't inverse this, but yeah, this looks pretty smoked. Um, yeah, this looks not very good, to be frank. Because the 1 minute isn't intact, but the 5 minute still is. Um, but I mean, pretty severe drawdown right now, so yeah, potentially smoked. That's chill though. That's chill though. Yeah, it's getting pretty close. So I just got stopped out. That's unfortunate. Uh, We're literally still in bearish structure right now, so I mean,
Yeah, I'd probably be here by noon, get him, and so he's gotta be showered and ready. 11:30. Seats right here.
we have equal blows here too.
Backpack
Like,
up there. Hey, you know everything to do. Your backpack, everything's right.
bro, those are equal lows, dude. These are gonna get smacked. Like, we're gonna stay on here a little bit because still in bearish order flow on the 5 minute as well. Um, so looking at NAS, if we bro, if we don't, dude, this looks good if we don't inverse this. Still, okay, it did close above it, so hour probably,
Well, change your shirt and get
because
showered up. And then you have shorts to put on if it gets hot later. Yeah, I'll change. I'll change my shirt and then wear it. Okay, that's fine. Make sure you bring a sweatshirt with you. Whatever else you want. iPad or medicine, I don't know, whatever else you need.
hi, kitty. I definitely want to wait still if I want to enter another trade. Hi, come here. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Oh, damn, bro. Hi, hi, kitty. Yeah, hi. Oh, here you go, kitty. Hmm. Probably just gonna stay on here another 20 minutes. Um, we're still in 5 minute bearish order flow here. Um, but I mean, bro, cause short still looks fire on. Yes. Sorry. Stop. Stop it. Hi, kitty. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Hey, no biting. None of that. It's just we we want to see probably right now, like we I need to see a 1 minute break of structure to the downside if we're gonna want to short because we have this potential SMT. If we get that, then like we can look for shorts a little bit. But if it just keeps on going higher, then obviously like this ain't no sweep, and we're just gonna keep going up like we've been doing. You know what I mean? So literally waiting for 1 minute break of structure. We'll see what we get. See what happens here. It's pretty crucial point as well right here, in my opinion. Um, don't know if we quite bought it. Looks like we may have. We didn't on ES though. Okay. We're disrespecting, so jeez. Only enter with two, bro. Jeez Louise. That sucks, bro. Got in late. I wanted to enter off the inverse. That's chill though. Whatever. Damn. See what happens here, broski. I just didn't quite see that we got that break, and then we had this fat candle there, so that's kind of sucky, but you know, it's chill, bro. To be frank. Dang, bro. It's all the way down here? Holy sh. Dude, I'm gonna want to move my stops here soon, bro. Holy shit. Don't like that at all. That's gonna be. We get cooked, I mean, dude, like, I like this personally. Bro, we've been back and forth. So, like, we're in, like, it's literally just back and forth right now, bro. What a candle. We put a limit here. We'll only make it's struggling what it wants to do right now, bro. Hopefully we can respect this. That's what I want to see get respected. Um, yeah, dude. Just sucks. I got such a bad entry, bro. Such a bad entry, bro. I got in down here. That was literally the bottom of the freaking, like, on the move down, dude. It's so shitty. Should have waited a little more just for if to see if we got another rebalance, and we did, and we went up like freaking bunch of points. So like all this movement, and we've been in drawdown the whole time. That's what sucks. But you know, let's chill, bro. Hi, kitty. Shut up. Shut up. Probably struggling. It's struggling what it wants, man. But dang, bro, I should have been in this shit like up here. Ow, freaking thumb. Yes, it's looking like it's trying to go up right now, bro. That's the thing. Nas looks more bearish. Shit, dude. Moving like shit, bro. Genuinely moving like shit. Mm, yeah, that's ES is looking super bullish after that. We're at a pivotal point right now, bro. Bro, price does not know what it wants, dude. Holy. Love to inverse this. Bro, these are just bad ideal market conditions right now, bro. Like, holy, dude. Just disrespected that bullish gap, but now we're already moving back up, so this is just shitty. This is just super shitty. ES looks fucking bullish. Nas looks pretty much opposite game right now. Um, bro, this is just. It just sucks because my freaking. Bro, My stop loss is so freaking big too, so it's just like smoked as fudge. So like shitty, bro. Jeez. What is this New York AM, bro? Potential SMT. Potential SMT. Be fire. I want to see a break now to make this valid. Bro, like really? As soon as I start to maybe see something, bro, we're like, dude, this is bad. I like that this closed bearish. That's rough, man. This is terrible. This is actually terrible, bro. Wow. I just don't know how the move hasn't happened yet, you know? So, there literally hasn't been any move because, like, dude, what are we doing, bro? Let me check something real quick. Whatever way this like breaks out, in my opinion, is is gonna it's gonna rip in that direction. Damn, bro, like what is this game? If we close here, we're gonna wanna take that. So it's not looking good, folks. Right now, it's probably looking like I'm gonna get stopped out. Um, Obviously we don't know yet for sure, but like, bro, yes, just is slowly going higher and higher, and Naz is just like staying here. So obviously Naz is probably gonna follow this. So it's like, bro, if I don't like to close shit early, obviously, but like, if we can get back down here again, I'll probably just close. But it's looking like it's price on some BS right now. Some BS, gang. We just It's unfortunate, bro. We have to break past these lows, and that's literally right where my entry is, bro. So, such a cooked trade, in my opinion. Jesus. Why the hell did I take this? The hell did I take this game? It's definitely finna get hit now. Um, so like, yeah, I said if it moves past this, bro, it's like cooked. To be frank, yeah, this is smoked. This is smoked, bro. Shitty ass price action, bro. So frustrating. Still just looks shitty, bro. Still just looks so shitty. Uh, be fire if ES could start taking out some of these, then shit might hit, but still, I just have almost no confidence that that's the case. So shitty, bro. Bro, like, God, Jesus, bro. What the hell was that, dude? All right.